We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the controls in 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. I see all 4 robots moving. 7Cs shoots, scores. Pioneer Robotics shoots, scores. Red classifiers full. Game announcer is attacked. 20936 lining up on blue. Not yet scoring. They are a part of the Blue Alliance team. 7Cs for red, scoring very steadily. Pioneer Robotics scoring very steadily. And red is pulling away from the blue, at least in Auton. Matrix Robotics has moved off their mark, but they are not shooting in this part of the game.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
9 seconds, and the human pilots take over. Nobody's moving since the buzzer sounded because that would incur penalties.
2, 1.
Oh, away we go. Royal Robotics moving, aligning with their limelight. Their turret spins, points towards blue, and they shoot, and they land it. Now we're talking. Matrix lining up again on the launch zone. Landing 2 out of 3. That blue classifier is looking very full. Matrix clears their gate, comes back, shoots some more. Lands 1 out of 2. 30700. Continuing to shoot. 7Cs and Pioneer Robotics looking for an upset here. If they can pull this off against a fairly highly ranked Royal Engineers team, that would be definitely shaking up the rankings. All right, 20936, Royal Engineers. I'm not sure. Maybe I just saw them shoot at red. They may be having technical difficulties here. Pioneer Robotics lining up. You know, you can always take the points. 25656, clearing the red gate. Now Royal Engineers robot shoots again at blue. Lands 1 out of 3. Misses on 2. 7Cs got a bit of a jolt from red. Royal Robotics lands another. 7Cs continuing to go towards the red goal. Land 2. Matrix playing defense, now clearing the gate for blue. 30700 comes in, sneaks in, takes that opportunistically to get some artifacts in place. Contact called on 20936 in the red loading zone. They shoot. They're very good at accuracy. Contact called on 20936 again with 7Cs. 7Cs repeatedly raiding into the red handling zone, and now they come up and shoot. 25656 continuing their excellent strategy of emptying the classifier rack. A little bit of erratic shooting from the Blue Alliance. They've got the crowd on their side. However, accuracy is not their friend in this particular match. Both blue robots park with 3 seconds to go. Both red robots park, and that will be endgame. Red leading by 70 points. Is that an upset?
The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 229 to 166. This will push 20936 Royal Robotics down from number 8 to number 9 out of a captain position. But doesn't mean they won't be picked pretty early in Alliance selection later on tonight.